A bigot is someone who is intolerant, prejudiced, or biased. This term often describes individuals who hold strong, unreasonable beliefs against certain groups, refusing to accept differing opinions or lifestyles. It helps in recognizing and addressing discrimination and promoting inclusivity. Diversity refers to the presence of differences within a given setting, encompassing various types, forms, and perspectives. It enriches environments by fostering creativity and innovation, promoting inclusivity, and enhancing problem-solving through varied viewpoints. Embracing diversity is crucial for growth and understanding in any community or organization. Gloating involves deriving intense satisfaction from one's achievements or others' misfortunes. It often reflects a sense of superiority or triumph. It helps in recognizing and managing interpersonal dynamics, ensuring a more empathetic and respectful interaction in diverse environments. Global refers to anything that encompasses or affects the entire world. It's used in contexts like global economy, global warming, or global communication, highlighting issues or systems that are comprehensive and interconnected across nations. An illusion is a deceptive appearance or impression, often leading to a false perception of reality. It tricks the mind into seeing or believing something that isn't actually present. It states the difference between perception and reality, enhancing critical thinking and awareness. Motivate means to provide a reason for action or to push towards a goal. It involves inspiring individuals to achieve objectives by understanding their needs and desires. Effective motivation can lead to increased productivity and satisfaction, making it a crucial element in personal and professional development. Restrict means to keep within set limits or to confine. This action is crucial in various contexts, such as setting boundaries in personal relationships or maintaining discipline in professional environments. Understanding how to effectively restrict can lead to better management of resources and time, ensuring efficiency and focus. Sage, as an adjective, describes someone who is wise, possessing deep understanding and sound judgment. As a noun, it refers to a very wise person, often revered for their knowledge and insight. Sages are typically sought after for guidance and advice, embodying wisdom through their experiences and teachings. Vocation refers to a trade, profession, or occupation, highlighting a person's sense of fitness or special calling for their work. It embodies the alignment of one's skills and passions with their career path, fostering fulfillment and purpose in professional life. Wither means to dry up, wilt, or sag, often used to describe plants losing vitality. It can describe making someone feel ashamed or humiliated, diminishing their confidence or self-worth.